Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know somebody put something in your gas tank? If you're dealing with someone insane out there and they're trying to get back at you by tampering with your vehicle, how do you know they contaminate your gas? If you see unusual scratch marks on the gas door, or you see it's pried open by some object, then you know somebody tried getting into it or they have already successfully gotten into it. Next, remove the gas cap. What you want to do is inspect the gas cap to see if you see any liquids on it or sugar on it or anything that should not be there. The next sign that you know that your gasoline got contaminated is going to be hard start. You may notice it may take a few attempts for your vehicle to start. And if your vehicle starts, most likely you're going to experience an engine misfire. By now, you're probably wondering, is your engine going to be okay? And that depends what the problem is. If somebody poured fruit juice such as apple juice, pineapple juice, orange juice, and so on, it's probably going to be okay. All you have to do is just drain your gas tank and fill it up with fresh gas. The quickest way to remove contaminated gas from your gas tank is to use a siphon pump and siphon out the contaminated gas and pump it into the jerry can and make sure to dispose it properly. Now, if somebody dumped sugar or sand or anything abrasive inside your gas tank, most likely your fuel system is damaged. Most likely, you have to replace your fuel pump, you have to replace your fuel injectors, you have to replace your fuel filter, your fuel pressure regulator, and so on. In addition, most likely, you have to remove your fuel tank and clean the inside thoroughly. And lastly, make sure to flush out your fuel line. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thanks for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.